Hi everybody, I'm Abhilasha Sethia. I'm a food consultant, a recipe creator and an author. Since this is the season of the mangoes, I just decided to create some very quick, easy, delicious recipes with mangoes. And the first recipe which I'm going to cook today is a smashed potato with mango salsa. I hope you all enjoy it. So now I'm going to start making the smashed potato with mango salsa. It's so yummy. So the potato is boiled with the skin, and then I'm very lightly going to just smash it. So the potatoes are smashed. I'm just going to apply some butter to it.
What happens when you put the butter?
So it's so when you put it in the air fryer, it really the color it roasts really well.
Okay.
It fries really well. The air fryer. And for about 15 minutes in the air fryer, I'm going to start making the mango salsa. Mangoes. So this is the Alfonso or the Hapus mango. Some chopped onions. Some green capsicum. Some green onions or the piyaj patti as we call it. A little bit of chopped coriander. For me, I just love chopped coriander. So anything Indian, if I cook, the coriander is a must in my kitchen. Fresh coriander has to be in my kitchen all the time. Some chili flakes. It's really nice because it balances. The mango is really sweet, and we add a little bit of chili flakes, so it's slightly spicy and sweet, so it tastes really good. A little bit of salt. Top it with a mango salsa. I'm going to top it with some sour cream. This also I've made it at home. It's really easy to make the sour cream.
So how do you make it?
So with yogurt, just hung yogurt, and just add like a little bit of cream to it, and some salt and some lemon juice. But you have to just make sure that the curd has to be actually hung for a couple of hours. It has to be really nice and tight. There shouldn't be any water there. You can see the consistency. So now I'm going to put some sour cream to it. Some chili flakes to it. And the smashed potato with a mango salsa topped with some sour cream. It's ready.